So I am at Jerry's Car Wash, which is now being um, um, converted into Mr. Magic Car Wash. They use McNeil as well. We get our pre-soak. And our side brushes. And we got our Super Flex wraps, our triple foam. Can't really see with all the soap. Got another Super Flex. We got our high pressure. Another top wheel with hot wax. Getting more high pressure. And then our dryers. Oh, these dryers pivot. And that's that. That is Jerry's Car Wash. Like I said, they are rebranding and going to Mr. Magic. That was a much more better experience since it got taken over. You guys have a great day, and as always, hit that like button if you liked the video, and please subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.